Hello everyone, doing a quick recap of my trade on AMD. Very quickly in the morning, I went red, trying to go long on AMD until I realized that the market was selling off. After a period of selling, I thought that maybe AMD at 942 will bounce, and the market started to bounce, but that didn't happen, right? So I had another short loss at 48, and I very quickly um, flipped back to short, right? Because the market was selling strongly. So I added a trade at 943. I went short with 2,400 shares at 1812. Then I made a mistake here. I was trying to sell some of the profits here, like 30% of my position, but I added another 1,200 shares, which I immediately corrected, and I sold those. Fortunately, at the same price at 1804. So far, no harm done, other than the commissions paid. Then at 944, I took some profits, making $64. The market tried to go down and then bounce. So I took some more, and I was already $117 up. And then on 944.49, I took another 264 shares for a total profit of 167.88. So at this point, I noticed that this was the previous close. So I noticed that it tried to bounce and go up, but then I saw that it started to sell again. So I decided to add another 1,200 shares to my short position. And now I was on an average cost of 18 and 2 cents, right? So then the market continued to sell off. I took some more profits at 1791, and then sold the rest at 1787 for a total profit of $314, right? So given that I made that mistake, and I was already 300 down with AMD, trying to go long a couple of times, I think it was a good outcome, right? And I was able to control my emotions when I did this mistake, right? And think like, okay, what am I gonna do? And the second good thing that I did is that I noticed the previous day close or open. I'm not sure which one it is, but this is this is that mark, right? So I realized that I could add some more, right? Because I was watching the spiders and what was going on, so I decided to increase my position, scale in, right, as they say. So very happy with my trade. I ended up the day with $418, which is great, and I think 947 in the month, which is great, right? Given that I have only like a month trading on my paper trading account, which I'm really happy. 2 day strike, so I should continue this path. So thank you very much. I hope you like my trade.